Everybody, welcome to the end of the route. We're just gonna keep moving, man. We've had a lot of trash bags busting, so if you haven't watched the rest of these videos, I don't know how many there are, but yeah, you need to watch the full ones, man. There's a lot of stuff going on in these videos, so stay up with us, man. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button. Only place that we're going, like CJL32's, baby, is up. I'm all merchandise, so I can say that. Hey, you with the face. You all right up there, buddy?
I'm wonderful.
How's your shoulders? You better be okay for tomorrow. We got a lot of shite to do.
Well, I'm ready. I'm on. Have fun tomorrow.
Oh, dude. I can do the whole route. I already told your dad he ain't got to worry about it. You guys need to stay and stop and do stuff. I got it, bro. I know the whole thing. I can ride half of it to work. Ooh. Watch my wheels.
You need to replace those. Dude, what is this?
Oh, that is so cute.
Ooh, what's in here?
Flour for the tortilla.
Yummy. It's everywhere. Go back in there.
Rub it. The assist.
Not poor Ralph. How you, buddy? Take care. How are you?
Do you like it, Russ?
Expect the shit out of you with this trash bag.
Ready?
Unless you drink a fourth of it.
I want to see if you'll get mad about it. Oh, there you go. Good job, guys. All right, we'll hurry up and back. like leaving it down very long. I know. Yeah, when the what's it called? Oh shit, that's what was in them fucking bags. There's another one in there. Take this so I can get the other one out, boss. See ya. Things I do for my company. Cool, wear it on my shoe now. Get that off the grass.
I think we packed the other two.
I think so too. Well, I'll hear it when you want to do it again. I'll hear it.
Yeah, let me.
I thought I heard it before. I was like, sound like metal, but I don't know what that was.
Dave, too quick for it. Don't throw those in yet. I want to do it.
No, there's no more in there. No, this was it right here. That one? Yeah, that was the bag. That was the bag right there. So I ripped the other one out.
All right.
I got substance on my glove, but I just had it on that. It's falling out. Don't act like Liam, man. We're all three sitting over here.
Come on, Johnny. We'll make it work.
No, we won't. It's too hot for all that. Yeah.
Wait, I can hear bubbles. That's so hell. Fucking guys. Everybody's out. I'm fucking moving.
I'm gonna walk up to the carry out, bro.
Got you so much.
I have boss billed on me $10. I get paid tonight. Fuck this guy.
That's funny. I gave that back here. I figured the second time that back to me if I didn't take it to Christmas.
Dude, I'm eating at that Dairy Queen place tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm telling you right now, I am. Incoming! Oh man, it almost hit my camera. That was not really good. I've been so mad. I was smacked Dave's on that head. Tastes so good, make me want to smack you up.
Full time, you're like,
Mine.
oh, hit my camera.
You did that. Wait, like.
Done?
Yeah, that's it. Alright, everybody. That's going to do it for this set of videos again. So, I don't know how long how many of them we got, but it's got quite a few. So, make sure you guys watch the whole thing, man. Never know what you're going to miss. Alright, guys, we're out.